Hello! To create a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into the security and privacy, and from here we have to scroll down again, and right here we have more security settings, and we go in there, and here's our secure folder. So we go in here, press continue, again we have to press continue, and now we have to wait for the secure folder to create. This process might take a while, so be patient. Alright, from now we have to set a password for our secure folder, so let's press done, and we can set pin, password or pattern. So let's, for example, set the pattern for our secure folder. Alright, we have to confirm it, and now we can also allow to lock reset with Samsung account, but I'm not using the Samsung account right here, so I will not allow this one. Alright, now let's press next, and from here we can add some applications to our secure folder, and we have all the applications on our phone available. So simply select all the applications you want to add, press add, and right here we have these applications right now in the secure folder. And yeah, basically here is our secure folder. Here we have the settings of the secure folder, and yeah, that's it. That's basically all about the secure folder. That's how to do it. Thank you for watching.